Hello everyone, it is Heather and I am here today with you to do a room tour and a little look at the hotel where we are staying at. We are at Disneyland in Anaheim, California, and if you have not seen my previous room tour video from this part of our trip, I'm going to link it right up here. If you've been following along with my channel, you know that we switched hotels, and let's just say that was a good decision. This hotel is fabulous and it's a huge improvement over the hotel we were at originally. Now, we've had good luck with Homewood Suites in the past, but as I described in that video, it was fine. We would have been okay there. We would have been okay. Ben's shaking his head. But Megan said, she's like, I'll be okay here. I don't think we would have been okay though with the distance that we would have had to travel. Just to give you an idea of the distance, we had a Lyft XL pick us up. He was great and he drove us the very short distance in a car. It took maybe 3 minutes in the car, 3-4 minutes in the car to drive from the Homewood Suites to here. We are now at the Courtyard by Marriott Anaheim theme park entrance. We can see Space Mountain from outside the front of the hotel. So it's much closer, and that's going to make a huge difference for us. Also, just first impressions, because we just got here. We aren't even going to unpack until we get back from the parks today. We're just making this room tour quick for you, and then we're going over to Disneyland because it's already 10:20 in the morning and we are anxious to get to Disneyland. We weren't planning on doing a room switch today. Okay, first of all, first impressions of the hotel. It's a very nice, high-class feeling hotel, very elegant and nice. Second thing we noticed, the staff was all very well masked with high quality, I saw a couple people with surgical masks, but like the front desk staff had KN95 masks on. There is a lot of safety signage around and even a piece of paper here in the room talking about the importance of the safety COVID protocols, which we did not see at the Homewood Suites. The front desk guy was very friendly and very professional. And what I really liked was he said to me, I didn't expect to be able to check in yet because it's only 10 o'clock in the morning and check-in time's not till 4. But he said to me, I can actually get you into a room right now. I can only imagine what you've been through if you're switching hotels this early in the morning. So I thought that was very nice of him. That was really nice that they got us into a room. This hotel is immaculately clean. I do not see a speck of dirt or dust or hair anywhere. It's very clean. And this room was a very pleasant surprise. It's much more spacious than I was expecting. They had the nice, soft music playing like they did in this room that we stayed in Northfield, Minnesota a few months ago. It was a very nice, peaceful way to enter a room. And there's a lot more amenities at this hotel downstairs. There's a full-service restaurant called The Bistro, which serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. There is a water park at this hotel. Now, we probably aren't going to get to use it because it's going to be closed starting tomorrow. This is the last day we'd be able to use it. And unfortunately, it's only about 60 degrees today. So we probably won't get to use it, but that's okay. They are limiting capacity, so you actually have to make a reservation for the water park. So we might not have even been able to get a spot. I'm going to have to investigate to see if maybe there's also just a regular pool that we might be able to use. I'm not sure about that. But they're closing it for renovations for the rest of the time that we're staying here, but that's okay. A shop downstairs with Disney merchandise we noticed. It feels much more of like a full service hotel. There is not any complimentary breakfast here, but that's typical of Courtyard properties. So now let me show you about the room, and then I will also just, as we're walking through it, show you some things downstairs in the lobby and stuff. Okay, I'm showing you this way because housekeeping's that way. We're in room 339. Okay, first thing we noticed when we walked in is this is fantastic. There's this spot here right inside the door, which we were able to very easily fit all of our luggage. The other thing that I thought of this would be great for is if you had a stroller. That would be a perfect place to park it. Or a scooter or a wheelchair. Yeah, this is nice. And a lot of hotels don't have a space like this. There's a nice big mirror over that space showing you the map of the hotel. We are here. $339, so it's kind of a backwards L shape. Okay, and then when we come in, first thing on the right, these double closet doors. There's a safe, and then another shelf, and there's two, closet hanging racks, lots of hangers, a luggage rack right there, an iron and an ironing board. I like the louvered doors too. It feels very kind of tropical. And then I'll just give you a quick look at the room here, quick peek. But then right here is the door to the bathroom. And you'll see inside there's another door. Okay, this bathroom is sweet. First of all, 2 sinks, lots of counter space. There's a nice big mirror over the sinks, which is really cool. I like that pop of orange on the wall. There's some shelf space underneath. Are these cabinets? No, those don't open. Okay, so there's just 2 shelves, extra toilet paper and a hairdryer down there. Garbage can here in the corner. And then we have a tub shower combo, really nicely tiled here. Okay, but then wait, the big rainfall shower head. Oh, and a thing like to hang up your swimsuits, a clothesline. But then in here, inside this door, is another shower. There's a nice glass walk-in shower with another really nice rain shower, shower head. Really, really nice and big. And then the toilet is in here. And there's plenty of towels. So that's nice. Okay. And there is a hook here on the door. All right, coming out of the bathroom. Then we come into the bedroom. Here's the climate control. And here on the right is this big kind of cabinet thing. And there's a microwave in here and a mini fridge. Checkout time is 11 a.m., which is fine because our flight home is at, oh, here's this, here's the rack rates. Holy moly. We're definitely not paying that. And then over here, there's an ice bucket and a Keurig coffee machine and coffee supplies. And then down here, there's just a lot of nice big cabinet space where you could put stuff. And then over here, we have this big, long desk thing. So the desk chair, which I was sitting in, and there's a lamp, and there's a telephone, and this remote was in this bag that says fresh remote. There's a sanitizing wipe, little note paper, and a pen, which you don't see very much anymore. And then there's extra garbage bag if we need it. Information about their COVID safety protocols, which I really appreciate, and they did not have at the other hotel. And then at the front desk, he gave me this. This is a menu for the restaurant and information about the fact that the water park is going to be closed for renovation. But if we wanted to use it today, we would use this QR code to make a reservation. And then just lots of space here. The TV is over it. And then we have our backpacks and stuff set up over here. I don't know if we'll leave it like that or not. And then there's another garbage can under there. And then I love this feature wall. This feature wall of the ocean waves. And there are 2 queen beds and bunk beds. So, Ben, will you be okay here? To have a top. You're gonna take the top this time? So, Ben, we will each have our own bed. Yay! So we'll each have our... actually 2 beds. Yeah, Ben gets 2 beds. And Megan and I get 1. And then this... Good. I love this. In the corner, there's a booth. There's a little corner booth in the corner where the kids are sitting and where we could sit and eat if we needed to. I could pull over the desk chair and we could all sit here. This is great. And then we don't have much of a view, which is totally fine. But we have a balcony. Wait, no, we can't go out there. It's just a window. Okay, it just looks like a balcony. It's decorative. So we're looking at I think that's the Fairfield Inn or something. There's another hotel next door. I can't tell what it is. And the parking lot, but that's totally fine. the big night's table thing. There's a shelf underneath. There's a big old alarm clock and a phone. So overall, great room. Really like it. It's super, super clean. We checked the beds. The mattresses look brand new and they are much thicker and look much more comfortable. And the pillows look better too than what we had last night. So we will enjoy our stay. And now we're going to be out of here so we can go to Disneyland. Give us a thumbs up if you liked this video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Have a great day. Safe travels.